Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're tackling something that holds us all back. Old unhelpful habits. Yeah, we've all been there, wanting to make positive changes, but those old patterns just seem to stick. But what if I told you you could break free and build a new habit in just 7 days? It sounds ambitious, right? Yet it's totally achievable. In this video, I'll show you exactly how. Get ready to break the pattern because our 7-day challenge starts now. Why 7 days? Research suggests a focused, intentional week can create significant momentum. Disrupt old pathways and build a strong foundation for new behavior. It's about a powerful initial push for long-term success. Core principles for habit change. Before we dive into the daily plan, let's cover the 5 core principles that make this work. Choose one habit. Pick a single, achievable habit. Don't try to change everything at once. Be specific. Make it small. Aim for consistency, not perfection. Start tiny and manageable, like 5 minutes of meditation instead of an hour. Small wins build momentum. Identify your why. Why do you want this habit? What are the benefits? Connect with your deeper motivation. This is your fuel. Environment matters. Set yourself up for success. Lay out workout clothes. Place your book strategically, or remove unhealthy snacks. Make the desired behavior the easiest choice. Track your progress. Seeing your streak is incredibly motivating. Use a calendar or an app to visually confirm your success. Your 7-day habit breakdown, all right? Let's break down the week. Day 1, clarity and commitment. Today, define your one habit with extreme clarity. Understand your why and acknowledge potential roadblocks. Consider making a public commitment for accountability. Day 2. Prime your environment and make your habit easy. Optimize your surroundings by removing friction. Schedule your habit like an important appointment and create a backup plan for when things go wrong. Day 3. The first push. Just do it. Today is pure action. Execute your habit without overthinking. Immediately celebrate your small win and track your progress. Day 4. Overcoming resistance and finding your groove. Expect resistance. It's normal. Recognize it, then reconnect with your why. Focus on consistency over perfection. Even a tiny effort counts. Reflect and adjust as needed. Day 5. Power of association and stacking. Integrate your habit into your day. Habit stack by linking it to an existing routine. Be mindful of old triggers and create new positive cues. Continue tracking and celebrating your growing streak. Day 6. Refinement and problem solving. Review your progress. What's working? What's challenging? Problem solve any remaining obstacles. Is your why strong enough? Is the habit too big? Visualize your future success. Day 7. Momentum and looking forward, you did it. Celebrate your 7-day streak and acknowledge your commitment. Reflect on your journey and what you've learned. Now, plan for continued success by identifying your next small step to maintain this powerful momentum. And there you have it. 7 powerful days to break old patterns and build a new habit. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. It's about showing up for yourself consistently. This 7-day challenge is your springboard. It's designed to give you that initial push and prove you can make changes. The real magic happens when you continue these principles beyond the week. So, I challenge you. Pick one habit, commit to these 7 days, and watch the changes unfold. What habit are you going to tackle? Let me know in the comments below.